Mr. Speaker, I rise today in support of my amendments, which will help fund critically needed flood mitigation infrastructure in South Carolina's low country and protect my constituents from harmful PFAS contaminants. This month marked the start of hurricane season, and given the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, it is more essential than ever that we invest in flood mitigation infrastructure that will protect places like downtown Beaufort and hospitals in Charleston's medical district. In the low country, when it rains, it floods. And each year, our communities face tidal flooding that poses significant health, human safety, and economic risk. If a weather-related disaster hits during the COVID-19 pandemic, the results will be severe. That's why I'm proud to offer two amendments that will ensure natural disaster preparedness and flood mitigation projects are prioritized in this legislation. I also offered an amendment that will require the federal government to investigate wild fish in PFAS-contaminated waters and the risk of consuming such risk to humans and natural predators. In a pair of recent studies, it was determined that PFAS was present in groundwater on Joint Base Charleston, as well as in wild fish in the Ashley and the Cooper Rivers. And given the health and environmental hazards associated with PFAS exposure, it is critical that we ensure my constituents are not put at risk. So, I hope my colleagues on both sides of the aisle will join me in supporting my amendments as well as the underlying legislation. I yield.